So hi guys, welcome to my channel. So we are discussing about the topic is now. So guys, we are discussing the topic is work, power, energy. So this is all will come to the work. This is the part 1. So this is the class 11th. So I will teach this channel only IIT, Maths, Physics, Chemistry. So this is the episode number 1. So for this I will show first what are the topics. So first we are learnt about work, and second is units of work, and third is relation between joule and erg, and change for the positive work and change for the negative work. This is only. So guys, these are the topics we are learning now. So we should do work hard and some power to need some problems, and we have to need energy. Let's start. So welcome back guys. So guys, we are learning about work. What is a work? So work, so not is the classwork and homework. So we want in the physics what is work and what is power, what is energy. So in this we are discussing now work. So this is the part 1 of the work. So it is still not ended of the work. So guys, first you tell about the work. So work is said to be done by the force when a body moves through the same distance. That is called the work. Okay, so I will write the definition. So work is said to be done by the force when the body moves through same distance. That is called the work. Okay, you have understood. The work is said to be done by the force, and a force when a body moves to the same distance. Yes son. So I will tell an example of a general. So that is example is, so guys, we were going through distance. Okay, we are going to this distance. So this is an object, and this object is went to this distance. Okay, this what is there in this there to here some distance is there. So how they kept force? So means we can tell that force, I kept the forces. I was only kept this force. Yes or no guys? I only kept some pressure or force. So no need pressure, we should tell force. So this force I kept to the body. So this body went to some distance. So when I am throwing a ball, so that ball go how much force I kept through that ball, that distance that ball will go. So same this example I took any object, I pushes or I kept force, that much distance it will go. So that some distance it will go. That we can tell is work. With a through example you have understood very clearly. Okay. So we'll go for the what is the work formula. Yes or no? We are in some problems give find work. How we can do? So that formula we should need. This you have understood very clearly. So we'll go for the formula. Yeah. Okay, coming back guys. So work is equals to force into distance. Force into distance. Yes or no? Distance. Or we can tell as displacement. Or we can tell as displacement. What is the displacement? The shortest part of the A. The shortest path. You can go like shortcuts. Yes or no? Distance means from long cuts or not. There to there, distance is there. So I am wait. So this is and I think this is a distance. Here it is. So guys, here it is home to your school. So you will go from this 2 year and this 2 year. So it is happening very long. So we can go in the easily path. So that is the diagonal. So no, that is called the displacement. It is called the displacement. Yes, you understood. It is called the displacement, the shortest part of an area. It is called displacement. The distance is the longest with the go to. Yes or no? It's called distance and displacement. Okay. So you understood about the work. So we'll go for the units of work. What is the units of work? That is SI unit and CGS unit. So first we'll go for the SI unit. Okay. SI unit. SI unit. Wait guys. SI unit. Okay. So SI unit of work is Nm, or we can tell joule. Nm or joule. So commonly we can call as joule. Okay. So 1 joule is equals to Nm. 1 joule is equals to Nm, and 1 joule is equals to 1 Nm, 1 N and 1 M. 1 N and 1 M. So this is the SI unit of work. SI unit of work. Okay. So I will give one point. So I am writing here. That is, so you can't see it. Okay. So work done. This is the point. Write it, please. This is all important. Work done by the force. Work done by the force in 1 joule. Work done by the force in a 1 joule when 1 Newton or 1 N force acting on a body moves its through distance moves its to distance moves its through distance or displacement of 1 meter of here I am writing as 1 meter here 1 meter. Okay, so here a work done by the force in a 1 joule when 1 Newton force acting on a body, so that 1 Newton is force acting on a body, moves it through a distance or displacement so of 1 meter. So you have understand this point. Yes, again one important again, this all coming to IIT part. Okay, so here greening, yes. So work is equals to F into S, SN, force into displacement or distance, F into S. So this force we can call as dyne, and this we can call as centimeter. This we can call as centimeter. Yes. Okay. Force is called as joule. S is called as centimeter. Or we can call as this or erg. Okay, or erg. So what is erg form? So 1 erg is equals to 1 joule into 1 centimeter. 1 joule into 1 centimeter. You have understood very clearly. 1 erg is equals to 1 joule 1 into 1 centimeter. So what is again? Force is equals to due and displacement equals to centimeter. You understood very clearly? Okay, 1 minute. So guys, here we'll go for the CGS unit. So I don't know, dune centimeter or erg. So this dune and centimeter what? Dune equals to force, centimeter equals to displacement. Yes or no? This is the CGS unit. So one point is there, we will write now. So that point is, I'll write with green. Okay, the point is work done by the force is said to be 1 erg when 1 dune when one due force acting on a body so guys we have here no when one due force acting on a body moves its through displacement 1 centimeter. As you have clearly understood. So this with units of work is completed. So we'll go for the another topic. Relation between joule and erg. Okay. So guys, we are now relation between joule and erg. So I will tell now. 1 Newton 10 power 5 joule. 1 meter 10 square centimeter. 1 joule is equals to 1 Newton meter. Okay? Now again 10 power 5 joule into 10 square centimeter. 10 power 5 into 10 square joule centimeter. Joule is equals to 10 power 7 erg. 10 power 7 erg. And still not completed. 1 erg is equals to joule 10 power 7. Erg is equals to 10 power minus 7 joule. You have understood? Yeah. This is the relation between joule and erg. Okay guys? So guys, we are moving for the change for positive work. So okay. Positive work. What is a positive work? I will tell. When force and displacement are in the same direction where done is positive. When a force and displacement are in the same direction, the force is and same displacement same direction where the work is done, then it is called a positive work. When the work is done, then it is called a positive work. So we will take an example. You can clearly understand. So this is the line. Okay, I will draw neatly. Oh, sorry. Okay, this is the line. So here object and here also one object. So here okay. So now this is height, there to there, this is height, and this is positive. because the height is more. Sun. So that we will call force is more and direct distance is equals to more. So we can take 100 kg or 100 kg or 100 Newton. 100 kg. So how much height is there? So this is placement. This is force. Sun. So when moving to up, the force will increase and displacement will also increase. This is positive work. So again we will go for the another example. So that is here. This is an object. Here this person this is a person moving the object. The person is moving the object. So force is and here displacement. Okay. So this person was moving object. So force is increase and displacement also increase. Okay. This is example number 2. And we will go for the example number 3. So here to here and this is an object and here. Okay. Now look at why this G. So that is gravitation. G is equals to gravity or gravitation. So anything. So one ball. So I can take an example is tree. From the tree, apple tree, that is apple is fall down. So that fall downing by the gravitation. So that we can learn more about in the gravitation chapter. Gravitation by the force is increasing and the distance also increasing. So you understood about the thought. Okay. So guys, you have understood very clearly about the change for the positive work. So I will go for the change for the negative work. Okay guys. Coming back to the negative work. So guys, we will go for the negative work. What is the negative work? It will be opposite. Yes, you will think that. Yes, that is only negative work. So guys, I will write definition. When force and displacement are in opposite direction, the work done is negative. Work done is negative. So now guys, when a force and displacement are in the opposite direction, the work done will be negative. So no, work done will be negative. So this is I have for one example. So we'll do. Yes or no? So now this and here one and here another. Here will be keep point line is now here MG. Next, this is height. So now so work by gravitational force is negative. Negative. Work done by applied is positive. Applied is positive. Work done by the gravitational force is negative. By the applied by the positive, because of the applied by the positive, there will be cause of here positive here will be applied by the negative for the positive work. So I understood by the change for the positive work and the negative work. This is the difference for the positive work and negative work. Guys, this is an example. This is an example. Okay? So you understood very clearly about this. So guys, we are totally completed. Totally not completed. You are thinking totally. So we are completed this section. Who are like it, who have very clearly understand this video, please like it and give the likes target is maximum 5 likes target. This is the episode number 1 of the work, power and energy. This is the work part 1. This is the class. So you understood this topic means please subscribe to my channel, like it, and bye guys, have a nice day.